Hello everyone. Today we are going to do 3 questions which I have taken from the polynomial synthetic division. Question first is given as if 2x cube minus 7x square plus x plus 10 is equal to x minus 1 times qx plus r, find the remainder and quotient. Solution is given as we have gx is equal to x minus 1. This x minus 1 is divisor and this term is the polynomial. So px is equal to 2x cube minus 7x square plus x plus 10. Now let us compare divisor x minus a with x minus a, that is x minus 1 is equal to x minus a. Here you can see this x and x will cancel out and you will get a is equal to 1. This 1 is taken as the divisor. So 1 is taken as divisor here, and now 2, 7 plus 1, 10. This coefficient of x cube is 2, so we have written 2. Coefficient of x square is minus 7. Coefficient of x is plus 1. 10 is constant. Now firstly we should bring down the first coefficient. That is 2. We should bring down first of all. So 2 times 1, 2. 2 ones are 2. So minus 7 plus 2 is minus 5. Again minus 5 times 1, minus 5. Plus 1, minus 5. If we operate, we will get minus 4. Minus 4 times 1, minus 4. 10 minus 4 is 6. Now this 6 is the remainder. So Rx is equal to 6 and quotient is 2x square minus 5x minus 4. It's because 4 is the constant and 5 is the first degree, so 5x, this minus and 2x square. So qx is equals to 2x square minus 5x minus 4. And now question 2 is given as, you can see, if x cube minus 19x minus 30 is equal to x plus 2 dot qx. So find qx and by using synthetic division. Here you can see px, this x cube minus 9x minus 30 is px. Similarly x plus 2 is divisor, that is gx, and we have to find out the value of qx. Again we should compare x plus 2, which is the divisor, with x minus a. If we compare, we cancel out x and x, so you will get a is equal to minus 2. And now minus 2 is the divisor, and here you can see the coefficient of x cube is 1. This is degree of x is 3 and degree of x is 1 here. So 3, there is gap between 3 and 1. So there should be one coefficient, one term containing degree 2, that is x square. So here is no any term containing degree 2. So in place of that we put here 0. That is why coefficient of x cube is 1 and coefficient, that is term containing degree 2 is missing, so we write here 0, and coefficient of x is minus 19, minus 30 is the constant. Now again to solve this question, we bring down the first coefficient directly and we multiply minus 2 with 1. Minus 2 times 1 is minus 2, and minus 2 minus 0, that is minus 2. So again we should multiply this term and this term. So minus minus plus 2 times 2 is 4, and minus 19 plus 4, if we operate, you will get here minus 15. Minus minus plus minus minus plus, and 2 times 15 is 30. So here you can see minus 30 plus 30 is equal to 0. So Rx is equal to 0 is the remainder, and quotient, to write the quotient, we can see here there are 3 terms, 1, 2, 3. last term is minus 15, it is the constant, and second term is minus 2, we should write x having degree 1, and this term can be written as x square. These are the quotient and remainder. Similarly, question 3 is given as, here you can see, if x cube minus 21x minus 20 is equal to x plus 1 dot qx, then find qx using synthetic division. And here you can see this term is px is equal to x cube minus 21x minus 20, and x plus 1 is the divisor, so we write here gx, and we have to find out the value of qx. Again, we should compare x plus 1 with x minus a. Here you can see this x and this x will cancel out each other, and a is equal to minus 1. It is the divisor, so we write here minus 1 and like this. So you can see in this polynomial, this is third degree, this is a term containing degree 1, and second degree is missing here, so in place of second degree we write here 0. Now 1, 0, and this is 21, 20 is the constant, and now we should bring down the first coefficient here and multiply with the divisor. Minus 1 times 1 is minus 1, minus 1 plus 0 means minus 1, again minus 1 times minus 1 is plus 1, that is 21 plus 1 is, if we operate you will get here 20, and minus 1 times minus 20 is plus 20, then you will get minus 20 plus 20 is equal to 0. It is the remainder, so Rx is equal to 0 and Qx is equal to this.